Good morning, students. Welcome to another ICT session. We were talking about Microsoft PowerPoint. So, in today's lesson, we will learn about inserting pictures, changing the font, and adding word art. I will start with PowerPoint. Again, you have to type it in the search bar. So, I have typed power, and you can see it. It's the first option. I'll open it. Once it opens, you can choose a blank presentation or you can look for various templates. I'll click on new, and let's say I'm looking for a birthday template, birthday, and I'll look for it. Click in the search button and you will get multiple options. So you may choose any layout from here, or you can design your own layout. So I will show you both options. Let's say I want to choose a very simple layout. Select the layout, then click on let it appear here, then click on create. Now you can see that the whole layout has come in the presentation. I want you to create only first slide. So we don't want rest of the slides. I will bring on the first slide and press Ctrl A together to select all the slides. Now to unselect the first slide, I need to hold Ctrl and click on the first one, and I can just press delete. Now you already have the first slide right in front of you. You can start typing, you can change the layout, you can just highlight and start typing about your birthday invitation. Another option is, again I need to go back, file, choose a new option, blank presentation, and it has appeared here. Now let's say I don't want to see any boxes here. So I'll select the box, and when four arrows appear, you're going to select and press delete, or you may press right click and click on cut. Again, same with the next one, select and press delete. Now you have blank presentation right in front of you. There are two options. You may choose from design or you may create your own design. So I'll show you again another option for design. You have to click on design, and all the designs in Microsoft PowerPoint will appear right in front of you. Click on drop down list. You can have all the designs here. You may choose any of the designs, or you can create your own design. So we have already discussed about creating your own designs. So I'm going to choose one from here. Let's say for my option, for my birthday card, I would like to choose, I can choose sorry for taking time. Okay, I want to go for this theme. Now it's right in front of me. I have to start typing. Now already we have deleted two text boxes. We are going to insert our own text box. You may choose another options are also here. You can have colors, fonts, effects. So we'll talk about it later. Now we are going to insert, we are going to type. So to type, we need to have a text box. I cannot type here. If I click here, I'm unable to type. So I need to have a text box where I'm going to, okay, so we can just write here, you are invited, you're invited to, let's say I bring another one, text box, you're invited to my birthday party, invited to my birthday party, and I can add on. It will be a celebration of my birthday. You are invited to my party. It will be a celebration. So again, you're going to use spell check. You may press F7. Now, already we have typed. Now we are going to bring some pictures. You can have pictures from insert menu. Now, right now we are in home menu. Then I'm going to shift to insert. So we'll click on, there is an option of pictures and online pictures. Online pictures are, you have to get it from Bing, Google, whatever option is showing. So I don't have any saved pictures in my computer, so I will preferably going to online pictures. And it's like you can see here clip art or online pictures depending on your Microsoft version. I'll click on online pictures. Okay, now the search bar has appeared already. So I'm going to type the word for the picture you want to add in the search bar. I want to look for birthday and search. Now in search option, you can click on this search icon or you may press enter. So I will press enter. Pictures will start appearing. So I'm going to, you can just make it bigger. Okay, let's say I want to choose, I could have written happy birthday. Okay, let's go down a little bit. Okay, let's say I didn't like any of the pictures here. I'm going to type here birthday clip art. I don't want to have real pictures, so I want to have something in the form of cartoons. So here is this one. I like it, and I click on the select the picture, and I'm going to click on insert, and you will see the picture will appear right in front of you. Now the next thing is you need to resize the picture because it is too big for me. So if I have to resize, I need to select. It's already selected. Let's say it is not selected, so I need to click on it, and the handles will appear, and you need to click on the corners, preferably to decrease or increase the size. So I'm going to put it on one of the ends. Like this, you can have another picture. Next thing we are going to talk about changing the font. So first, make sure that you highlight the text. Sometimes you try changing the font, but you don't highlight anything. Nothing will happen. If you skip this step, the computer will not change anything. Then I will highlight. Again, click on the box. You can have Control A. Preferably, Control A is the best option. So I will go to font. It's already, I'm in home and I'm in the um, font here. I'm going to click on the arrow and the drop down list will come. Now you're going to choose a font for birthday, for any party invitation, or like when we are going to create a card, so we preferably choose a font that goes with it. So until now, during ICT lessons, we have emphasized on Joker Man when we are especially creating birthday invitations. Now this font is this size is too small for me. I'm going to make it, let's say 28, or you can have more. Okay, I'm going to bring it here. You can change the color. Just choose any color that goes with it. So you can have more colors also It's depending on, you click on the options, you can have your custom colors. And let's say you want to choose something from standard or how to create a color. Already the yellow color is selected, so I can make it little lighter. See, the color has become lighter, and I can make it little darker depending on, I don't want to choose anything from here, I have already selected, so I want to go with it. Next, I want to change again the font which is down. So click on the box and then Control A. And I'm going to choose, now I'll not be choosing Jokerman this time because already my title is Jokerman. So I'll be going little bit down. Let's say I want to choose, yeah. So it's Blackheather ITC. So I'm going to choose it. Yes, of course, I need a bigger font, bigger size now. So I'm going to, there are two options. You can have a number from here, or you can directly choose it from Grow font. And you're going to just check, like, whatever suits. Now, for me, this font size is okay, that's 44. So you can have, if you don't like such a big font, you can have smaller one. So whatever suits. Now the next thing is, you can of course you can have, the title. The title is, you can make it bold, you can make it italic, underline. Underline can be, you can, change, there are so many options for underline also. You can have different font color is okay. Now next thing is, we are going to, let's say I did not like the way it is written, I want to write something in the form of text box, where I can, let me just copy the font, again select it, right click, copy, or you can have Control C. I'm going to delete it for the time being because I want to show another way of typing. So I'll go to Insert and I'll choose Word Art. Please go very slow and make sure when you are listening to my video, then you're going to apply it for the second time. Pause, rewind, then play, and try to get all the things. Then I'm again in the insert menu, then I'll go to Word Art. And let's say I want to choose here, because already I have, the background is so dark, so I'm going to choose something lighter. I can have, let's try this one. Okay, I clicked on it and already the text box has appeared. And please make sure, then when you're moving it, you need to check the four arrows. So if you're not taking it from four arrows, it is not going to move. Again, you're going to make Control A, and I have, if you remember, I have already copied it, the text before. So I'm going to make Control V this time, or you can just right click and you're going to paste. I don't like it, it is too big for me, so I'm going to, because it is 54, so I'm gonna make something, okay, that's good. Now this is okay, better for me, because I can have many options. So again, once it is in the text box, I will go to Format. It will come in Drawing Tools, Format. Now there are various options to design this text box. I will go one by one. First, I'm going to choose Shape Styles. I'll open it and I can choose from, now the problem is you cannot see, so you're going to move it. Better to move it so that you can see. Let's say I'm going to choose, okay, I like it. Then I'm going to, that's okay. And I'm gonna make select again, and you're going to make Word Art styles. You can have, okay, yeah, that goes. So here is it. Now again, you can have your text fill, all options will come, text outline, text effects. Okay, text effects I want to share with you. So already I'm going to, you can just to click on the text box, options will appear right in front of you. I'll just move it on the left side and go to text effects. You can apply shadow, or you can just apply glow. Glow will suit here. So let's say I want to apply glow option, and I want to go with it. So that's it. Again, to move you need to grab the handles or use the 4 arrow pointer to move the whole thing. So these already three slides are attached, and they are going to explain whatever I'm showing you in the video. Hope you again enjoyed it, and please let me know if you have any concerns. I want you to make one slide, and you can show your birthday, you can show your friend's birthday. You're going to the topic will be birthday, and you're going to apply font, you're going to apply word art, you're going to apply pictures. Could be online pictures, offline pictures. Okay, I did not share with you the offline pictures. So again, I'm going to show you. I'll go to Google. Sorry, I'll go to Google here, and let's say I want to get offline pictures. So I would better go with clip art. I personally like clip art. So I'll go to images, and let's say now I need to be faster to grab one thing quickly. Okay, I would like to choose this one. Right click, save image as. So I'm going to give the path in documents. It's OneDrive, no, it's in the computer documents. So let's say I'm going to write here birthday, this right here, birthday short form, and done. Okay, so I'll go again back to my presentation, how you're going to insert the picture from your computer. Insert, I'm in insert menu. Please, you are going to change it. Okay, today we have used home, insert. I have shown you design, and we were in formatting. If you remember, when I click on this, the format drawing tools will appear. So again, I'll go to insert pictures. My pictures, the one I have saved recently, is in documents, and the name is birthday. You can have large icons to see what is the picture about. Insert, and you're going to let's make it here. Yeah, fair enough. So how we are going to see the picture, you can have you can just press F5, or you can have slideshow to have in the bigger mode. I'll click on, yeah, here. So that's your first slide. Please don't copy my design. You're going to create your own design. So how I'm going to come out of it, I will press escape, and I'm already out of the window. Don't forget to save it if you want to share it with me. So it is presentation 2. That means I have not given any name to it. By default, it is presentation 1, presentation 2, so on. So I'm going to save it, Control S, or you can have this icon, or you can go to File, Save. So I will use today Control S, and I'm going to save it, of course, in documents, because I love to save in documents. And I'm going to choose okay, I'm going to choose birthday. Maybe we might use it next time also. So birthday, I have created it on April 06, and done. So choose a location. It's already in documents. I don't want to change it. And still to show you here, and I'm going to have, okay, please check the extension. It is PPTX. We call PowerPoint presentation PPT also, short form. And I'm going to click on save. Then you can see the name has changed. I'm going to close it. How to come out? We are going to use Windows plus D to come out of it. Okay, again, you're going to see your presentation by clicking on any of the folders here, documents, and your presentation is here. So That's all about today's class. Thank you so much.